In primetime news this evening, Commonwealth Countdown, Senator Kamina Johnson-Smith in Rwanda for Secretary General election, or team is on the ground to bring you extensive coverage. I'm Innocent, alleged Wandon gang leader denies gang affiliation as court dismisses more charges against the accused, and Area 2 police heighten operations in St. Catherine SOE.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Also in this evening's package, there's a business day, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime, and your weather report and forecast. But before the break, here's our feedback question. This evening we're asking, what are your thoughts on the policeman who left his toddler locked in a car being charged with manslaughter? You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica or tweet @televisionjam1. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.